I just thought it'd probably be cool to do the main event because then it's other stuff there if you.
Yeah.
Yes. Bring your A game. If we're not on the same team, there will be no prisoners. I'm just letting you.
And you know, Letty will not show you mercy for your birthday.
Don't worry. You have a little score to settle.
We'll be on the same team later.
Okay. Alrighty.
Bye.
Take care. Wait a second. When did somebody have time to do that? Who did that?
Don't worry.
When?
When I said,
That is so good. I love it. Thank you. Because I was like, wait, she's been here the whole time. You knew about it too, huh?
Yeah,
Because he really had me in the conversation.